Hey my peoples, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got this little natural look right here. There's a jewel here, there's a jewel here, there's a jewel here, there's a highlight over there, and just kidding. So let me turn around real quick, show you what I'll really be getting into, and probably with better lighting. Hello. So this is the video I'm doing today on this look. Is very metallic, tones of blues, purples, and pinks. And if you want to see how I got it, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. So I'm back just like I said, this time shirtless, don't look at my nipples. But, so I got the eyelids primed, the brows, oh I need to fill that in. The brows done. So jumping straight to the look, I'm going in with, Sienna, this darkish brown right here from, Anastasia, and which is barely left, Creme Brulee by ColourPop. I'll put it up here because I can't remember. I'm just going to mix those two on this fluffy brush, and I'm going to put those in the upper crease. So as you can see, the way I'm blending this is in small circles across the eyelid. Well, not across the eyelid, across the upper crease. And that's how you're just going to get a really good diffused color across up there. It needs more brown. So I'm going in with a little bit more sienna because this eye's a little bit darker in person. I'm just going in small circles. I'm doing less of a sweep, more of a circle. That's good. Next, I'm hopping in slightly lower than that on a different fluffy brush with this bluish shade. It does have some shine to it, and it's called After Hours. It's from the Ulta Beauty line. And I'm going to just put that in too, just small circles, building that up a little bit lower than that last color. And then now you can see the tones. You can see the blue blending into this orangish red, blending into like my brow bone highlight color. So shimmers often don't blend well because they're usually meant to be packed on the crease, but I noticed this one blends really well. But I am going to go back over with a little bit of that lighter brown we used, Creme Brulee, and blend over, ooh, don't drop the brush. Blend over this line right here just to bring a little bit more of this light brown, darkish brown back. Also, because this blue shade does have a deep undertone to it, kind of like a grayish dark undertone. Next, I'm going to cut the lid with some concealer. Okay, so I just took some of the Better Skin concealer in the shade medium on my hand. I'm going to take this angled brush right here and slowly cover out the lid. I'm sorry if it gets a little dark when I hold up this mirror. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to just slowly carve out my lid from inner corner to about 3/4 of the way. Okay, so I had used an angle brush like this because it's like a little point right here. Just helps me follow the crease a little bit better and then just be a little bit more precise up in the corners. So I'm just gonna run over that light concealer with the first brush we used with the excess product. Just tap it in just so it won't transfer or anything like that, to help it set down a little bit quicker so I don't have to wait for it to dry. But now I'm taking this Shimmerville in the shade Amethyst. I'm gonna put it over here. I think it's Amethyst from Cover FX, and it's just like the shimmer. It's beautiful. It's like the shimmery eyeshadow. It's pink, and I'm just gonna put that right where we put the concealer, so at 3/4. Since this is on a wand, it's a lot easier to be precise with this. And it looks a little thin actually going on. I might put 2 layers of this. It's really, really shiny though. It's really beautiful. So I'm gonna let that dry down real quick. I'm gonna put 2 layers. It's like 105 degrees today. Literally, it's so hot. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my god. But it's literally like 105 degrees today. It's so hot. I'm sweating. My air conditioner, we can't figure out why it's not working because somebody tried to. So my air conditioner is programmable, and so when you start pressing stuff, you mess stuff up, and we can't get it working. So it's like 105 degrees outside, and it's just so hot in this house. I've just been trying not to move. It's currently, oh dang, I messed up. It's currently like 8:30 today, a.m. of course, and I've been up since 10:30 a.m. yesterday. Yesterday. I truly don't know how I'm alive because I don't even feel tired at all. I'm really making this so big. So if you mess up like me and make it really, really high, I don't know what to tell you. Just go in and make the other side high. There we go. It's fit. Ooh, I didn't want it up there. Let me see if I can fix this. So that, like I said, be careful with that because it had greatly surpassed where I initially put it, and it got kind of messed up. So the edges, I just re-blended a little bit with the blue, and since it's like a pink color with a blue reflective, I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's pink with a blue reflective. I just blended over the edges that I messed up with the blue shadow, and it just blended right in. It actually worked out great. So next, I'm taking this burgundy color Bitten from Makeup Geek. And I'm going to take this on a slightly smaller blending brush. And I'm going to put that on this outer corner that we left empty, blending into the pink. Okay, I'm back. So with wing liner and these lashes on. These lashes are by... Ooh, I'm going to put the name up here. I forgot again. But I also put this white liner in my waterline. My eyes got really sensitive and I won't stop watering, so I'm having little problems with the inner corner of this lash. But it's okay. So the blush I put on was the Velvet Blush, Ulta's Velvet Blush in the shade Pink Out. My favorite blush, goes with everything. And then to finish up the eyes, we're dipping back into the shade Bitten by Makeup Geek with a brush when I pick it up. Is that the brush? Yes. Oh, okay. So, with the shade Bitten, I'm going to take this flat brush and go on the bottom waterline. Not the waterline, the bottom, you know what that's called, right? So, I'm going to take it just a little bit and just go right down there. So then you can see this look is a little bit more warm and complete compared to that one, where it looks really barren under the eye. I'm going to add a little bit more, actually. So then you can see the look is very complete over here. And then that eye still needs to be finished. And it also brings out the white liner, as you can see. I am going to put on bottom mascara. I haven't gotten to that part yet since I had to do my lower lash line. So from this Naked Cosmetics palette, I'm going to take this highlight. Do these have names? These don't have names. So I'm going to take this pink color right here. You can't see them because they're so metallic. But it's a pinkish color right there. And I'm going to take that with a small blending brush right across the brow bone, very lightly. Oh, that's beautiful. I see it in this mirror, it's so pretty. Oh, that's beautiful with this eye color. Oh god, I'm sorry. I wish you can see this in like the real lighting I get right here. And then I'm gonna take the same pink color. I'm on this pointed pencil brush, and I'm gonna wet the brush. I think that's good enough. Okay, and I'm gonna dip into the same pink highlighter, and I'm gonna put that right into the inner corner. These lashes are really pretty, but I was having such trouble with them. Like, first because they're new and they're thicker bands, so trying to get them to bend and stuff was so hard. And then they're just making my eyes really irritated. They're really cute, though. They're like a mix of, like, brown. That was a lot brighter. They're like a mix of brown and black lashes. And they crisscross across each other like this, I guess. If that makes sense. They're so cute, though. I just wish they worked out for today, but they're on my eyes. They're doing good enough. So then I'm going to take the purple highlighter, the one in the middle, and that one's swatched right here. That's the purple one. That's the pink one I had used. And I'm going to take that one on this fan brush and highlight the cheek. Oh, that's so pretty. And also, of course, we can't forget the Cupid's bow. You can see I'm sweating. It's so hot. Now, the last step is lips. So, I'm going to take this lip color. It's by Pretty Vulgar, and the shade My Lips Are Sealed. And it's a metallic lip gloss, just like these metallic highlighters. And I'm going to just put this on the lips. Just got really bright outside. Alright, so that's your look for today. It's very metallic, very glowy. It has a lot of tones of pinks, purples, and blues. And I hope you enjoyed. So if you like videos like this and want to see more like it, just subscribe to me, I believe, right there. Watch some of my other videos. Social media is down below. I post every Saturday, as well as all the products I use in today's video. Bye.